Hello everyone, what's up? Good afternoon. I should have told you before. Good night, hours. Take this out on me. Good evening. Please, just don't hurt Toothless. That's what you're worried about. Sometimes I do a accent for this video at some point. Y'all, that's a sudden. They defend themselves, that's all. Big shoes, a shirt from my blog to wear. I try to wear a good emo clothes. Quoting. That's for that. Which one do you like more? The black, blue, darker blue, yellow? I have a good yellow one from Star Wars. Like this, different. 4 t-shirts of Star Wars and a hat. And figure clothes. I can feel them real good in the emo crowd. And I come book invention in yeah. Okay, Comic Con. You too watching this video. I have all kinds. If you ask me about video games, I'm still playing my video games. No worry. Right now I'm watching How to Train a Dragon. For Virginia Cooper for Earth. For a couple of days ago I watched a Pikachu for Johnny Cooper for M. Like Dear Juliet. The songs. Oh, cool. I see Quill. Yeah. Hi. How are you, Quill? There's Quill saying hi. Can you hear that one? Quill says truck for you. Caw, caw, caw. Caw, caw. Caw, caw. Caw. You hear that one? If he's a Quill talking, they was talking to me. Like keep an eye on me from the vampires like coming. Man, warning. Your father, your tribe, best friend. Yeah, that's my buddy. Not yet. I'm still cool. A little bit better for everyone. Yeah. Quotes on my project cast today. I love black quills. They are very cute. And this could be my last video today. I'll give you a new one tomorrow. Morning or afternoon. Not sure. Want to one more? I was weak. Quill? You said wouldn't. Caw, caw. I wouldn't. 300 years and I'm the first.